Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp view once photo. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open WhatsApp on our device, and here as we open WhatsApp we need to locate settings button in the bottom right corner and click on it. Now we'll have here the settings of our WhatsApp. Scroll down a little bit and you will find storage and data. Click on it. Now go for manage storage, the first button here. And basically now you can scroll down and you need to find here the chat where you had a view once photo. So in my case it would be this chat, so I'll click on it. And basically here you can find the photo that was viewed once. So basically for me this is this photo, this is view once photo for me. You can find your view once photo, and basically that is it. That is how we can recover WhatsApp view once photo. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.